So what I'm going to do now is, at the minute, even though I like the shape and the form of this, it does still just look like one big giant blob. So I'm going to start applying some appearances to this body. To do that, go to Modify, select Appearance from down near the bottom. Then it's just a case of drag and drop from these materials in the menu. So for example, let's go with some of the paints. And I'm going to go with a nice powder rough coat. Now, what you might notice is because Fusion is cloud based, rather than having all of these different materials downloaded on the program and taking up too much storage on your computer, a lot of these you do simply just have to click download. Should only take a couple of seconds, and then you can simply drag and drop them onto your model. Now, that's just changed the appearance of the entire body. Might be something you're going for, but for me, I'm going to be a bit more individual, throw a few different colours in there. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to download this red colour, and I'm going to change what it's applying to as faces rather than just the entire body. That way I can just drag and drop, and I can start to colour in just these nice wings, just make them stand out a bit more, because it is one of my favourite features about this design. And I can just start adding those around until I'm happy with how it looks. Another feature with appearance that is quite useful to be aware of is, let's say I choose my material within here, within miscellaneous, and I go to emissive. Let's say I want to use this LED light and I want to apply that to my headlights. So I'm going to apply it to both of these. So let's say generally that's the appearance that I want to go for, but I do want to change it ever so slightly. If you look at what's being used within your design, you can right click and you can go to edit. So within this, I might decide I do want them to be LEDs, but this time I want them to have a slight gold tinge to them. You can also change the luminance and make them glow a bit more. You can go to advanced and you can change even more within this menu. But I'm going to go with that just for now and click OK. Once you're happy and you've got all materials, just click OK and they're going to be added to our design. Again, with this, it's your design, so it's entirely up to you what colours you go for.